This gonna be me in the future, right? Me and Antonio. This gonna be me coming in from work, right? I'm gonna come home. I'm gonna see this. And this gonna be my daddy working right here. His computer gonna be right here. And I'm gonna be bothering him. Goes. Oh, and look, this our bathroom. This gonna be our bathroom. Look at this. This is sexy. Like, feel me? This is like life goal. Then, right? This gonna be the kitchen. No. This is where we're gonna have our wine section, right? This is where we're gonna have all the drinks, and this is where we're gonna drink at and eat our dinner and have our parties at. And that's another desk. And then this gonna be the nice living room, right? You see this? It's gonna be my children right here. And then this gonna be our big ass TV. I'ma always be in the living room because I always watch. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a little vlog because I'm out and about today. My hair look kind of crazy. I don't know why I keep poofing up. I think it's because it's the heat outside or whatever. I should have just put gel in it, right? But yeah, right now we're at Ikea and we're looking at new like furniture for my uncle because he's moving into a new apartment. He's starting brand new things, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just looking around with him and I'm starting to like things for myself, and I'm not even moving into anywhere anytime soon. But I am rearranging my room, so it's a good thing that I'm here because I could look like at ideas and new stuff that I would want to buy. And yeah, and I'm liking everything. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. This is really pretty. Like, me just walking in. I'm gonna show y'all a view from over here. This right here, me walking in from work to my husband. TV right there. Everything. That's cute. And the kitchen, nice. Little kitchen table, just the two of us for now until the future or whatever. And yeah, I think I should get a job as a good improviser or assistant because I would really help out with all this stuff. Negatory. No, I think, no lie, I think I'm gonna be a lawyer. You think I'll be a good lawyer?
Maybe.
A lot of people told me I should be a lawyer because of my attitude. Say I'm like mean. Am I mean?
Yeah, that guy was too mean.
He lying, bro. No, don't make me hit you. Me? Look at this one. Look at. Ooh. Ooh. Theo, you bougie. Ooh. This. Oh my god. Yo, take a picture of me in my kitchen. Take a picture of me in my kitchen.
Hell no, this is gonna be my kitchen, nigga. Crazy.
Please. Look. Anthony, record me. You're gonna be the cameraman for today, okay?
Okay.
Wait, you're gonna block it. Hold on.
But you gotta hold this.
The phone
I know.
Okay.
I mean, I want to record it. Do I press it? Do I press it or do I hold
No,
it?
just leave it.
Do I press it or hold it? Or is it already
No,
recording?
it's already recording.
Oh.
Look, this gonna be me cooking. And then Antonio gonna walk in. I'm gonna be like, hi, baby. And then this gonna be my flowers. Because I'm a good person. I deserve flowers. And then this gonna be me on the phone. I'm like, Mom, come over. We're gonna drink some wine.
There's no wine in there.
And then I'm gonna be in the stove like this, roasting my chicken. You know how I do. And then I'm gonna have something else in here, bacon. Yes, I do. He said spaghetti. You got me messed up. I know how to cook. And then this gonna be all the drinks I'm gonna have for Theo when he come over. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, take a shot. Hey, they stinky. The cameraman is stinky.
Anthony, come over here. Anthony, come right here. I need you to take a shot.
He's a bad cameraman.
Alright, so this is gonna be me on my sofa, right? For real, it's nice.
Just been recording this whole time, by the way. At no point did I pause.
This made me want to get an apartment. But I'm not gonna do that until I finish high school and everything. Look at all the TV. You guys know I've never been to Ikea. This is my first time.
Yeah, it's my first time too. I went to it, but I didn't go to Ikea. Well, actually, I was in spot for the camera, chipmunk.
Me and Fabian first time.
At least you have your hat on this time.
Yeah, look at that ugly sofa.
It's abstract art.
That's Chino's level one.
That's Chino. That's the way Chino dresses in general. Still want to record the strangers over there.
Oh, look here. The countertop.
You still recording? You still want to be? You still want to be recording?
Yeah.
All right, I didn't pause it.
Huh?
I haven't paused it, but I'm just wondering.
It's a nice sink. I thought it was gonna turn on. Look, it got 2 sinks at that. One right here and 2 double. They have a dishwasher? No. It's like a little old-fashioned kitchen. Look at that one. This one nice.
Just get this island. Just in the middle and you look at the chair. That's it. There's gonna be no space to go outside. Fuck it, man.
Oh, I like this. This is nice.
You're gonna need an island.
Now you can't take me here. When I go get an apartment, I'm coming here.
Feels like the lighting plays a role in this.
Oh yeah, you can. She could just pull it out any minute and go pow pow pow.
I want you to see the video already because it did some funny stuff in it. I want you to see the video already because it did some funny stuff in it.
Okay. Gonna be me in my house working. See, I would want to work from home. You gotta hold the camera like this.
Oh. Put up Fabian, say hi to the camera.
Fuck you.
What computer is it using? Is it hooked up to here? Yeah, it is.
I'm looking for a job right now. She's searching up jobs for me. That's the CEO of
How may I help?
Little
Thank you.
You want me to stop recording or?
Baby, make them short.
Want me to stop recording?
Give me. You're a bad cameraman. Anthony, a bad cameraman.
Yes.
Yeah. Really, yeah. For me too?
$2.99. I'm looking at everything.
My bad.
Look, if I was living by myself, I'll get something like this. Just for me and my dad.
That's the bed already.
Look at it.
What is it?
Cute couple. Oh, she got a henna. Remember when I had my henna?
Did you?
Yeah, I did. With her. I'm not getting the fun. I'm getting
Don't just toss yourself out yet. You can save a lot of money with your mom if you pay the bills.
No, I've been through that. You crazy? I'm not gonna be no part-timer for the rest of my life.
Yeah, you're gonna be a YouTuber,
Shut up, maybe.
right?
That might be my side job too. Cause I wanna be like a lawyer or some shit.
Word. So go for it.
Hell yeah, go for it, culinary. Chef Fabian. You gonna be cooking for everybody in the family if you become a chef?
Maybe.
Yeah. If I call you over and be like, yo, Fabian, you gonna make me some? I'll pay you $50. He's like, oh.
That's a lot.
Yeah, but you make it, when you're a chef, you make money. Like you, Chucho, what he did? He was working at Olive Garden, remember? Yo, I thought that was a dog, like a real dog. You see that shit? They just painted on it.
Doors, man. Oh, I see it.
Oh, this is cool. Oh, when you open it, look. When you open it, the light turns on. Look, ready? That's hot.
Oh, that's beastie.
Oh yeah. What? And you could put your shoes right here too.
Put your shoes right here. And clothes
Hang your
up.
suits up, all that.
You gonna have more clothes than that though.
Hell yeah. I'll probably take this outfit. I don't know.
One mattress, just a mattress, and then the headboard.
So this is
Everything's separate.
Let me see.
This is $7.
already what?
Look, this is beautiful. This look like a beach house type shit. Kind of.
This is all connected.
Yeah, that's what's up. It do look like a beach house. You see the wood? And then you go out here, you look down, it's the beach. Look at this. This is like business people type shit. Oh my god. I have to pee. Like, badly. This old man was staring at me. He kept staring at me.
I ain't tryna die young, so I want. Man, we fall into the system and full of some war. Talk to that boy Jason, man, they doing wrong. Man, my city full of hate, shit, can we get along? I got murder on my mind, man, it's feeling they just fine. Got different girls from out of town tryna hit up on my line. Got different groups of people tryna come up in my life. Yeah, I'm cleansing on my body, say they dirty on my sprite. Got a couple niggas playing on me, no, I'm not that dumb. I can't even know for sure, make it almost 21. But I promised mama Dukes that I'm gonna try to make her fall. And I swear I'm just that cold, nigga, I don't fall in love. And I'm pouring in my dose, taking in this pain. I just roll another blunt, smoke it to the face. I cut off a couple people cause a couple lame. That money changing me and I'm switching my lanes. And a nigga on this blind, so I never had the time. And my mom ain't kinda fucked up, and I'm thinking all the time. And these bitches got me fucked up, they just want me just to shine. But a nigga ain't that dumb, and a nigga ain't that blind. Yeah, niggas on that time, cause I don't got no time. That next nigga out, yeah, believe me, it's my time. He wasn't here before, so nigga, why you tryna ride? He wasn't here before when I'm going through all the times. Seeing no people just out that square, catch a place, fuck down when you winning, nigga. This how you live when you winning, nigga. Everything bad from the cars to the bills. They fucking with a thug, showing love to the real. They don't feel like we came from the trenches, nigga. And they know we came from the trenches, nigga. Still got love for the trenches. I got niggas still in one club to the city, be a whole lot of kill, a lot of kids. Fella, murder on my mind all the time. If you ain't fly, bitch, don't even hit my line. How you slime? Nigga,